Hello, I'm Matthew Mazur, a Florida attorney, and today I'm discussing a case that occurred in the Central District of California involving PPP loan fraud. A California man pleaded guilty to perpetrating a scheme to fraudulently obtain approximately $1.8 million in COVID-19 relief funds that were backed by the Small Business Administration through Economic Injury Disaster Loans, EIDL loan program, and Paycheck Protection Program PPP loans. According to the court documents, the Santa Clarita Man admitted that he submitted 6 fraudulent PPP loan applications and 2 fraudulent EIDL applications. The applications sought funds to purportedly pay for the salaries of his employees who he claimed worked for 2 of his businesses. He was successful in obtaining approximately $1 million through the 4 PPP loans and another $300,000 through 2 of the EIDL loans. In support of the fraudulent applications, he submitted fake federal tax filings and payroll reports. In one of the loan applications, he falsely claimed a used car business had 26 employees and an average monthly payroll of $168,000, and he submitted fabricated IRS tax forms showing the company had paid $2 million and change in payroll in 2019. He admitted during his plea that this company had substantially fewer employees and a substantially lower payroll. He further admitted in his plea that he obtained additional employer identification numbers from the IRS in April and May of 2020 so that he could apply for multiple loans for the same used car business. He then used a substantial portion of these PPP loan proceeds for his own personal benefit. He was arrested in December of 2020 at LAX just before he was about to board a plane to Dubai. Interestingly enough, right before that trip was scheduled, he transferred $762,000 from a PPP loan account to Uganda, his country of citizenship. Needless to say, this gentleman is going to spend some time in prison as a result of his guilty plea. He is set to be sentenced on August 23rd, 2021, and faces a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison. As part of the guilty plea that he entered, he is being required to pay back approximately $1.3 million in restitution. Again, the federal government is pursuing these PPP loan fraud cases vigorously, and they are going to be increasing their prosecutions and investigations. If you are the subject of one of these investigations or think you could be the subject of one of these investigations, it is very important that you seek legal advice immediately so that you can take proactive steps. Just because you're being investigated does not necessarily mean you have to end up with criminal charges. There may be ways to mitigate or eliminate potential criminal charges related to a PPP loan fraud investigation. I hope you found this case review informative. If you did, please hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. We're working hard to provide you additional relevant content regarding PPP loan fraud and the government's approach to prosecuting these claims. Thanks so much for watching.